No, don't touch. Ate, yung
Wala
kamay
na.
niya.
Wow, ganda na. Welcome sa ating vlog! So for today's video, meron nga mga nagbigay sa amin ng regalo at samahan nyo kami ipakita isa-isa. Hindi naman siya nakabox, sasabihin ko sana i-unbox natin. So ayun guys, thank you so much sa nagbigay.
Wait, you try first. Sleepers.
That's so big.
Maganda nga, malaki.
Daddy, that's not for me.
It's for you.
This for you, one for you, and one for ate. Okay? Oh.
It's so big. It's okay.
It's okay. Look ate, oh. Look ate, oh.
This is for mommy.
Whoa.
Look, the brand.
The brand. Shala. Ay, boy. Uso nga yun, oh. Thank you so much.
And I will make a magic.
Magic.
Ouch, my eyes.
Oh, close your eyes, ate. Close your eyes. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Reese. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Turn around.
Open.
Wow.
There's more.
Hello? Grabe.
How about mommy? Reese, my daddy, how about Reese?
Reese.
Wow.
I have a chocolate.
Wow. There's
Another
more,
one.
ate. Ate, there's
Ate.
more.
What's that?
That's for you, ate.
Wow.
Oh, it's
Gold bunny.
Wow, pampaswerte.
Chocolate.
Ay, hindi
Ano
chocolate.
ba? Chocolate
Akala ko
yan. Oh,
pampaswerte.
that's for my mom. Give it to my mom. That's chocolate. What else?
The mommy TV.
A copy for mama. Oh, give it to mama.
Mama. Mommy, keep it up in this.
Wow, what's this? I don't know. Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Baraha?
Sigarilyo yata yun.
Sigarilyo? Hindi, matigas eh.
Ay, baraha. Ay,
Daddy,
no,
let's
spade,
get
oh.
something else.
What's something else? Oh, what's for daddy naman?
This is for daddy, maybe. It's for daddy. Wow!
Grabe.
Chips.
Ha?
Daddy, that's for you.
Chips.
This one is for mommy.
What's that?
I think
It's
so.
for mommy.
Yes.
What's this? DKNY.
What?
DK.
Aba.
This is for mommy.
Wow!
It's for mommy?
Naku, mukhang magpapa-slim na ako ah.
Ay, parang kay pambata. Hindi
Ha?
Kay Gian.
Hindi. Ano ka ba hindi?
Ano ba? Hindi ka kasya sa YouTube.
Ano ka ba kasi sa akin yan?
Ano ba naman? Gagawin mo namang ano?
Daddy, please.
Tingnan naman ang braso niyan. Tingnan mo kay Gia, oh. Saktong-sakto kay Gia.
How about the other one?
Mommy, keep it open this.
No more.
Oh, let's take video muna
This
later,
one's
okay?
for Reese.
I want it
Ah, para sa
open.
ito.
That's not for me. That's for mommy.
This for mommy. Oh, what else?
No more.
Nothing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's Crocs. Crocs.
Daddy, mommy, what's the feature?
Okay, let's take video for that, okay? We're going to do the unboxing video. Yeah, unboxing video. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Big.
Oh, thank you so much, Lucy.
Thank you much.
To you.
Say so much. What's the feature this? Hi everyone. You wanted to play games? And I did it.
Go.
Hi, Waka channel.
Hello there. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Your turn, Risi.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Okay, today we're going to open. Oh, you say it. Today we're going to open. You see? You say. We're going to open LOL surprise. Show your surprise, dali. Oh, LOL surprise.
What's that?
Oh, open now.
I can open.
Huh? You can open.
Yes. Mommy, keep it up. I let you.
Huh?
Mommy, keep it up me to open this. Mommy, please open
Show.
this.
Oh, show
Mommy,
to
please
the
open.
camera. Let's show to the camera. Oh, paano ba to?
This is... Wait,
LOL surprise. Parang yung egg surprise.
Daddy, how about the egg surprise? You can't break your nails? What's that?
Wow. Backward, Gracie.
Hello?
LOL. LOL. Oh, here, ate. Down here. Wow. It's a big egg.
Hello.
Sit down, ate. Sit down. Are you excited?
Yeah. Let me open. Wait.
Huh? Oh, you try to open now. Show it to them.
Mommy, keep it
Show it to them. Show it to them. You see?
Open this.
Wow.
No, that's mine.
Huh?
No, that's mine. Mommy, keep it open.
Oh, next. Ate surprise.
It fall down
Ate, sit
there.
down.
We can read Oh, wow.
So, kalat. There's kalat. Sit down properly. Sit down properly.
This is yours. Hi. What's that? Wow. Olive.
Let's try to open natin. One by one. What's the first one?
Mommy, please open.
Wow! Bling, 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 bling.
Mommy, please
next.
open this one.
Next.
Oh, wait, wait.
Okay, try.
Mommy, please open this one.
Oh, what's for easy?
Wow.
Huh?
Mommy.
Eyeglass. How about another other one? Easy. Next. Oh, there's more easy. Oh.
Wow.
Chain.
Wow. Bling, bling.
Oh, what's next?
A hat.
There's more?
Wait a minute, don't we need
Okay, show it to them. Oh, what you have? A bag. And the eyeglass.
Aha! This is for the baby.
Huh?
This is for the baby eyeglass.
No, where's your baby?
This one.
There's more. You know. There, the plastic. Oh, nothing? Okay, where's the eyeglass?
The eyeglass is here. It's mine. It's mine now.
Oh, it's mine now. Where's the others?
No, that's... it's
Oh.
there.
Here, baby. Oh, this is yours, diba?
No, that's not.
Let's show it to them. Let's show it to them what you have.
Look, Mommy, look. That's mine.
Oh, wow. Where's your egg? Where's your egg, oh? We're going to make keychain. Go. Get the cover, Risi. Risi. Wow. Baby, oh. Kadena. Anong tag dito?
baby box.
Marami laman.
Oo nga, 60 pesos lang.
Please give me that.
Wow! Ate, look.
That's mine.
That's for easy.
Mommy, how can
Let's make it yours.
Let's make more. It's mine.
Okay. Wow, that's so many. That's a lot. Wow, different collections.
Ano yung avocado mo mainog na yun? Ano nakuha mo? Yan?
Hindi, pinahinog na. May yan, matigas pa naman siguro
Ay!
bukas siguro o Sabado.
Not like this.
Ewan ko yung isa na yan, patulog, napulok ang dulo. Tapos matigas na
Ate.
Wow.
mas madali ngayon na linggaw. Hindi ka mukha nung
This
nakaraan.
is for the baby.
2 linggo yata.
Where's your bag? Where's your eyeglass?
Wala kang
Wow!
A baby.
How about you, Rizzy? Let's show it to them. Show it to them, to the camera, like that. Like that, baby. Closer. Here, on the lens.
And I want some chips. Mommy,
Bye.
that's mine.
may sipon. Bye ko na kayo.
So, bye-bye na.
I want
Say bye-bye. Say
I
bye-bye.
want bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I want some chips.
Yeah, meron.
Ay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye first. Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye na, both of you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. About your Rizzy. Bye-bye. Uy. Bye-bye.
Mommy, how
Thank you
about
for
this one?
watching.
Look at this.
Later yan.
I want it.
So, after naman namin magbukas ng LOA gift nila. So, thank you so much sa nagbigay ng gift. Ang daming gift para sa mga bata. So, samahan nyo naman kami. Dito kami sa may mall at magpapabutas kami ng hikaw. Si Rizzy kasi nag-close yung isa niyang ears. Pero baby pa siya na nabutasan na siya sa tenga. Tapos yung dalawang pamangkin ko naman ngayon lang magpapaputas. So, let's go! Samahan nyo kami. So, nandito kami guys sa bilihan na ng mga hikaw at namimili kami kung anong color or kung anong magandang pambutas sa pambutas sa tenga. Yung hikaw na ilalagay. So, ako din pala guys ay nagpabutas. Pero, isa lang din. So, tig-isa kami ni Rizzy kasi dalawa yung hikaw and yung kailangan lang ni Amaris is isa. Pero, hindi pwedeng per ear yung hikaw. So, bibili mo talaga siya ng isang set. So, ayan guys. Ipapabutas na yung
Doon mo, bebe.
And, eto si Rizzy.
No, don't touch. Ate, yung
Wala
kamay
na.
niya.
Wow, ganda na.
It's okay.
Yung ears niya.
It's okay. It's just a bite of an ant. It's just like a bite of What? What? Oh, you see? Oh, you have another.
Lalagay niyo na po ba yun?
Ay,
lagay mo na para
para pantay. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Ay, yung isa lang naman pala.
It's okay. Look. Mommy will buy you a pretty headband.
Lagay lang natin, baby, ha?
Ayaw na niya.
Hindi, wala na siyang anak.
Hindi na yan man.
No, it's not hurt. Only the earrings. No, it's not hurt. It's not hurt. Don't move. Don't move.
Takot na siya sa earrings.
Mataba kasi ito.
Yung ears ko.
Ba't hindi na isushoot?
Mataba kasi ito, ma'am. Pambutas talaga siya.
It's okay. Oh, you want to see yourself? You want to see? Oh, wait. Ay, may hook na. Ayun pa. Wala pang hook eh.
Lagay natin yung lock, baby.
Huwag yung hawakan, Rizzy.
Don't touch your earrings. Your ears. It's okay. It's just a bite of ants. See yourself on the mirror. 3. Look at yourself.
Beautiful ka na.
Look at yourself. Look at yourself.
Yung patch.
Wow!
Oh, dalawa na. Pareho na kayo nila ate, di ba? Sama ng tingin niya, may pag-irap eh.
Sorry.
Sa kanila na mga
Kasi,
Wala na tali. After nga namin dun guys ay medyo nagutom na kami kasi sa lahat ng mga nadadaanan namin ng mga damitan is pinupuntahan namin, hinihintuan namin. So ito, nandito kami ngayon sa may KFC at o-order na tayo ng pagkain para makakain na. After neto ay sumabay na kami kay Daddy Rodel kasi pa-out na rin siya sa office. So, ayan, waiting na kami sa parking. Thank you so much for watching. At ito pa nga itong dalawa na to, nagpipicture-picture pa. Bye!